Babe, nagpapasalamat ako sa iyo araw-araw. Thank you sa mahabang pasensya talaga. Yun, mahal na mahal kita sobra.
No need to theorize, I can put your doubts to rest. You're the only one worth seeing, the only place worth being, the only bed worth sleeping for the one right next to you. You're the only one worth seeing, the only place worth being, the only bed worth sleeping for the one right next to you.
Thank you for teaching me to be a better version of myself. Thank you for being a good provider, for being my confidant, my best friend, my all-in-one.
Gaya ng promise ko sa iyo since day one, nung sagutin mo ako na mamahalin kita at gagawin ko lahat para mapasaya ka at hindi mo ma-feel na mali yung desisyon mo nung pinili mo ko.
It's so beautiful. Some of my friends feeling okay. Don't let it get away. It's so beautiful. I'm so proud, screaming out loud. It's so beautiful.
Si JB yung all-in-one ko, kaya ngayon, ipapangako ko sa iyo na pagsisilbihan kita araw-araw at mamahalin kasama ng baby natin.
Talagang 100% na yung pagpaparamdam niya sa akin ng purong pagmamahal, ng walang judgment, ng walang kahit ano, na yung simpleng mahal kita, alam mo mahal kita at alam kong kaya mo yan. Nakakahinga na po ako ng maluwag.
I see you. I hope you never feel unseen when you illuminate the little things. Without the light you choose to be, we'd never find the diamonds in ravines. I know it's somewhere near, I promise you my dear, I'll find it. You're always on my mind, you captivate my sky like lightning.
Kaya nga itong lagi niyong iingatan, ang biyaya ng pag-ibig na ibinigay sa inyo. Yung pag-ibig na yun, na natagpuan ninyo sa bawat isa, ang nag-uugnay sa inyo para kayo'y magsama habang buhay.
I see you. feeling okay. Don't let it get away, it's a beautiful day.